Today I'm going to show you how to drag columns in a pivot table in Excel. So I'm going to jump right into it. This is a pretty simple thing to do. Right here, you'll have to select the column that you want to drag, and in order to do that, just hover your cursor uh, over the name of the column right here until you see this little black arrow, and then you can left click on your mouse in order to select this one. And after that, you can simply hover your mouse over the column to the right or to the left. So when you see this little cross right here, if you want to drag to the right, simply click your left click on your mouse and drag to the right. And as you can see, the column has been dragged right here. So if you want to move it to your left, and if you, let's say you want to put it back, simply uh, uh, click left click on your mouse and drag to the left. And if you want to place it right here, let's say, you can release your column right here. So basically, this is how you can move and drag columns in Excel. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.